Welcome back, this is Daniel. This is another quick devlog. I just want to talk about an update I'm going to upload tomorrow. I don't want to upload things before I go to bed. And I want to talk about, I've been doing a little bit of planning on the next expansion. So if you saw my stream, I was working on this water effect. That's just a very first early vision of that is going into this next build. I even changed around chaos a little bit. I put an ocean in there just to exercise that a little bit.
You got this.
In the stream, I didn't. I know how to play this. In the stream, I did not have any graphics for this, but I just put a really basic graphic effect. It's just a plane. And we can kind of see where the track is kind of flying over the water right now. It's just a big white plane right now. It's pretty ugly, but I'm gonna check it in. I think if I have something ugly checked in, it will kind of give me reason to want to work on it. Anyway, so I updated Chaos like this. It's got water in it. I also updated Wax and Wane. I did put water in it, but the track stays above the water. I added some mountains and stuff. Anyway, you'll check it out if you want. I did fix the rig customization UI. Let me show you that.
You have 19,270 credits. Vertical menu with 8 items. Selected health stat point allocation.
So now on this appearance item,
Selected by. Press left.
you can select right here a rig skin on the menu, or
It is colored red and dark red.
you couldn't do this before. You used to have to go into the submenu. So, and then in the submenu, I just fixed some of the graphics here. Okay. That's not a big deal. It's just, it looks a bit nicer. It's a little bit easier to use. I potentially fixed an issue where you used to have to need 5 points in grip in order to get the same steering behavior that you had before I switched over to grip. Now it's like 3-ish to get the same. I don't know. To me, there's still tuning and stuff needs to be done with the way the steering feels. So that's just part of it. I did fix some issues where some threads were churning away on the CPU when the window's in the background, and then some players have run into this bug where they're running through items like sanity pickups and barriers. I don't know what's causing that. I did find a bug, and so I have a fix for that. Which could possibly have caused that. I don't know. We'll see. It was to do with how I'm updating the clock for the player, and so I also fixed an issue where the clock was wrong in some missions. Anyway. The other thing I want to talk about is plans for this next expansion. I don't have a lot of details, but I just started working on them. Obviously, it's going to have new tracks, new missions. I'd really like to add a new character and get some artwork for a new character. I'd really like to make a new rig skin, make new set pieces. You know, I've had this whole water theme in mind, so I can make, you know, lots of different water-themed set pieces that will kind of fit. New announcer, maybe. We'll see about that. That's a lot of work. I'm interested in adding new mechanics. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I really want. I've always wanted to add like boost pads that you drive over to get more speed. But that brings up a ton of questions like, do you just drive over it? Are they ever in a place where you need to steer to get to them? Do you need to maybe press a button in time? Like maybe press the boost button or something? I mean, that would be adding one more rhythm control. Jumps, I mean, obviously the space bar or A button notes, those are little jumps, so you could play off that. I don't know, see, I just have like a cool feeling thing in mind where you like speed up, you boost, you hit a boost pad, you get tons of speed, and then you go off a jump and you fly high in the air. I just want like a cool feeling. Like lots of other racing games have the exact same thing, and I just want to see if I can squeeze those in. it makes sense to do. Like, this game is all about, it's not minimalistic at all. It's all about, you know, what's the word? Minimalistic, maximalistic, I guess, is what the game is. It's all about just throwing in lots of cool features and changing stuff. So, if I do add a new expansion, I'd really like to just add new mechanics. I want to add. I also had an idea. Like, Jelly's Raceway ends in a repeatable mission. I have kind of an idea for a kind of a roguelike type of mission where it doesn't just give you one random thing every time you play. Instead, you get like a choice of different randomly generated missions. And I'm thinking, like, every time you do a mission, you go deeper down, going with the whole like aquatic theme. Like, you delve deeper and deeper, and then if you fail a mission, then you have to like start all over or something. And possibly, like, what are the rewards for doing that? I don't know. I was thinking possibly you would find randomized equipment, kind of like just in a regular dungeon explorer type game. I don't know. We'll see. Other goals, I was wondering, like, should these be like stretch goals if I do a fundraiser? I really want to make the track spline editor blind accessible. And a fun idea I thought of was that I could possibly record an announcer pack myself. Like, would that encourage people to, I don't know, to help out? I don't know, maybe. Today I was thinking about the story a little bit for the new expansion. So Olukan Biodynamics is the corporation that the Joyful Panel is a part of, right? And so they develop like modifications for humans and, like, you know, bioengineering and stuff. And I was kind of thinking, like, maybe we're delving down into that corporation.
Main menu.
Maybe we're sneaking in. I was thinking about where it could go in the world. Let's see.
Family day trip. Not yet
So Jelly's Raceway comes off of Act 1. I thought maybe this one
not complete. There are missions above to the left to the right.
could come off of Act 2, so it would come off of Not Normal here, because this is where we first find out that, turn that off, that the mods that we got installed are, like, doing bad things, so we want to, like, investigate. And maybe we'll find somebody else who also has, you know, same issues, but, like, they know something about Olukan, they know how to, like, hack into their systems or something. Maybe? I don't know. I don't have a lot of ideas, other than that. Writing a story like this and all the dialogue, that's pretty rough for me to do. It's not something I'm great at. It's something I can do, maybe alright, but I really don't have anything. That's basically it. I just wanted to do another quick video just to talk about what I did today. Like I said, I'm going to try to do just more videos, just to talk more, talk about what I'm doing, and I'll try to do streams every Saturday, maybe? We'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's all I had to talk about. I'm going to post this update tomorrow, so that I'm not posting it and then going to bed and then having everything be broken. So yeah, that's been it, and you will see me soon, I guess. I'll try to do more of these. Anyway, bye.